Hello students, today we read about rational numbers. Rational numbers is our first chapter in mathematics. Definition of rational number is rational number is a number that can be written in the form of P upon Q. Here P and Q are any integers, but Q is not equal to 0. In the group of rational numbers, such numbers are included as natural numbers. Natural numbers denoted by n, and set of this number is include counting numbers. Whole numbers is also rational numbers. Group of whole numbers denoted by W, and in this group 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. It is also written in the form of P upon Q as 0 upon 1, 1 upon 1, 2 upon 1 and so on. And next numbers of group integers denoted by I of Z. In this group, negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. These numbers are also written in the form of P upon Q as minus 3 upon 1, minus 2 upon 1, minus 1 upon 1, 0 upon 1 and so on. So these numbers, natural numbers, are also rational number. Whole numbers are also rational number. Integers are also rational number because these numbers are written in the form of P upon Q, but vice versa is not correct. We cannot say a rational number is a natural number. For example, 1 upon 2 is a rational number, but it is not natural number, not whole number, not integer. So it is, remember, always. Now some properties of rational numbers. First property is role of 0. For any rational number A, if A plus 0, then result is A always. So 0 is identity element for addition. And if A into 1, then for any rational number A, then A will be identity element for multiplication. So if 0 add in any rational number, then result is A, and any rational number multiply by 1, then also result is rational number A. So 0 is the identity element for addition and 1 is identity element for multiplication. Now negative of a number. Negative of number is can be written as, for any rational number A, and its negative number is minus A. When added both of them, result will be 0 always. Then A is the negative of minus A and minus A is negative of A. Reciprocal. Reciprocal can be defined as if A and B multiplied by C upon D, then result if come 1, then we can say C upon D is called multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of A upon B. Here note 0 has not reciprocal because 0 upon 1 and reciprocal of it 1 upon 0, which is not defined. Secondly noted 1 and minus 1 are on reciprocals. 1 and minus 1 are on reciprocals. Clear? Because 1 upon 1 into 1 upon 1 equal to 1 and minus 1 upon 1 and reciprocal of it also minus 1 upon 1. Clear? Now some other properties as closure property of rational numbers, commutative property for rational numbers and associate property of rational numbers we will read. Definition of closure property for rational numbers is defined as if A and B are two rational number of same type, means A and B should be both natural number or whole number or integer or rational number. Then any operation is taken between them as addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Then result if come same type of both number A and B, as if we taken A and B as natural number, then result if come natural number, then same type of number if come, then for that operation and for that numbers, these numbers will be closure. Commutative property for commutative property, if A and B are any numbers as natural numbers, whole numbers, integers or rational numbers, then it will be equal to if B and between them any operation and A, means not affected result, then we interchange the place of A and B, then it will be called commutative property. Clear? Associate property is used for three numbers. Clear? A, B and C. As see here, A, firstly we operate any operation between B and C and then operate any operation with to it A. And secondly, in the right hand side we operate any operation between A and B and result is operate with C. If both left hand side result and right hand side result is same, then we can see it will be associate property satisfied. Clear? We taken some examples for it. As 3 plus 2 equal to 5 equal to n, that means 3 and 2 are natural numbers and result will become also natural numbers, so it will be closure property. For whole numbers, if we taken two whole numbers 0 and 5 and result is 5, This is also whole number. For integer -2 and 2 are two integers, and result is for addition 0. It is also integer. And for rational number 1/2 and 1/2, if added to them, a result is 1. 1 is also rational number. So natural number, whole number, integer and rational numbers are closer under operation addition. Clear? We see other examples on next video. Till when you do practice, I send to you this PDF also of chart. Okay, bye, see you students.